Alright, good afternoon everyone. Today is Friday the 13th of June 2014. This morning, we made 18 ticks profit on soybeans, 4 ticks profit on the Russell. We lost 14 ticks on natural gas, and we lost 7 ticks on gold. Remember everyone, 18 ticks here, it's $12.50 a tick. $12.50 a tick, okay? Every time they see this is 21 if you add them up, and this is 22 if you add them up. Still, it would work out, but usually if people forget that these are $12.50 a tick when they look at it and they think I did the math wrong, but I didn't. Anyway, it took us 5 minutes this morning and 2 trades to get to our goal for the day, which was $100 per contract. We took a total of 15 trades today in the live trading room. Our gross profit on the month of June so far is $1,842.50. $1,842.50. If you apply an $8 commission to every trade we've taken, you would be up a net of $746.50. If you apply a $5 commission to every trade we've taken, you would be up a net of $1,157.50. Okay? Realistic numbers over here, something below 8, 5, right around 5 or 6. Those are realistic numbers. Okay? So that's it. That's where we stand on the day. 1842 and a half. All right. You can see we picked up quite a bit on soybeans today, but we got killed on natural gas again. That's twice this month. We were down 24 ticks toward the end of the live trading. We were down 24 ticks on the natural gas. There was a trade in the Russell right at the end that I think I gained 9 ticks on, but I didn't count that. Let's see. I wanted to show you this. To take our free trial. Alright, if you have not taken our free trial, to take our free trial, you just need to go here to CFRN.net. CFRN.net. And then right in here, put in your name and your email address and click register for a free trial. Once you do that, you'll be sent a confirmation link. You need to click on that confirmation link. Then we will know you took the trial. We don't know you took the trial until you click on that confirmation link. Okay. Then once you do that, you'll be sent a couple of emails that will tell you how to get into the live trading room. It'll give you the address for the live trading room. It'll give you the password for the live trading room. They'll be sent. The first email will also have the instructions for downloading the charting platforms. Then you'll be sent a second email that says, please watch this video. Inside that video, it'll show you what's going to happen in the live trading room. Go over a couple of trade setups, the stuff that we do in the live trading room, and it'll also show you how to set up your DT Pro and NinjaTrader workspaces if you wanted to get that done ahead of time too. Okay? Now, that is what will be sent to you just by putting your name and email address. No credit card required. Now, let's go over the trades for the day. I'll start out with crude oil, though we didn't do anything with crude today, really. I mean, we traded crude, but we didn't make any money on it. Let's see, right in here it started out with a bullish cross. This was a little pre-market right here. Bullish cross, put in a higher swing, came back down, tested the BBC, had an up close. Once we had the up close here, we put our stop at, not a stop, we entered right here, sorry. We entered right here, and once we had a close above the MA1 over here, I moved my stop to break even. Sadly, it came back down, took me out of break even before it moved up. The next one here did the same thing. It took us out right here, and then it moved up. The next one was over here. This was our first trade of the day. It was a break-even trade. I remember we were up 5 or 6 ticks on that trade at one point, and I was up 4 ticks on a soybean trade. So if I would have gotten out at both of those, with 5 ticks, we'll say, then I would have had my goal maybe a minute earlier. But either way, it doesn't really matter. I got my goal 4 or 5 minutes. The next trade was right here. I missed it. It was a down close. After testing the BBC, a down close right there with bearish divergence and a red cycle. Moved down nicely, gave us another shorting opportunity in the same direction. We were already below the MA1 here. So as soon as we had profit in the trade, we moved the stop to break even. And it took us out of break even. We did not put in a higher swing here. Okay, so we weren't trending. And we're kind of stuck over here. We finally got down below this level. So it started to trend a little bit. Again, got short here on the down close when the actual spot to get short was up here. So I messed this one up a little bit. we ended up taking a break even on it. I moved my stop to break even as soon as I could because we should have been 6 ticks in profit right here. So my stop should have been at break even up here. I should have taken a little bit of profit on that, but I messed that one up. Let's see, it kept going and we needed a lower swing. We finally got it. Got the down close right here. I missed that trade. Again, there was 8 ticks profit available in that trade, and I missed it. And that was it. That was all we did on crude oil. All right, we didn't make any money on crude today. We paid commission. The Russell. Let's look at the Russell. Today on the Russell, we were plus 4 ticks. All right, our first trade on the Russell was right here. We were minus 8 ticks on the first trade. We took the up close off the BBC, and it stopped us out for minus 8 ticks. Then it was inside the weekly trading zone, and we couldn't do anything to it for quite a while. We finally shorted over here, and looks like we ended up taking 1 tick profit on this move right here. All right, we shorted again right here, and we took no profit on that one. Let's see. Yeah. So at this point, we were minus 7 ticks. We missed this trade, and this trade, all long trades, all winning trades. We finally jumped in up here, and we took 10 ticks profit on that. That put us at plus 3. And our final trade on the Russell was a down close below the trend line over here, and we took 1 tick profit on that one. And you can see that one went down quite a bit. Right here is where I wanted to get 6 ticks in there, and it gave 6, but it ended up taking me out at 1. Since then, we changed directions, and there was a long trade right in here. Well, it would have been a momentum trade. It stopped out at break even. It's given another one right now, coming off of the weekly trading zone. Okay, so on the Russell, we had a few trades, and we ended plus 4 ticks. All right. Now we'll do gold. Let's see, in the gold. Gold didn't have that much volatility today. You see, not much volatility at all. You can see our whole day was from here to here. That was our whole day this morning. Our very first trade on gold was right in here. I believe we took 1 tick profit on that one. We got long there and took 1 tick profit. Next trade was a break even. We missed this nice short trade right here, and we took this one. This was a down close below the trend line. It stopped us out for minus 8 ticks. That put us at minus 7 on the day right there on gold. And that was it. That was where we ended the gold. You see it's just flattened out right here. Not much happening. But it's all good. All right. We ended minus 7 ticks on the gold. The soybeans. Now the soybeans is where we made the majority of our money here today. And I'll scroll back. This was our first... Well, this is the trade that put us at the goal of the day. All right. I thought it was 5 minutes, and Daryl said it was actually 4 minutes. But we shorted the down close below this trend line right here. The down close below the trend line. And I'm looking for something. Anyway, we shorted the down close below the trend line. That's where it is. We shorted the down close below the trend line. We took 8 ticks profit on that. Okay. Took 8 ticks profit on that. We did not do anything else with it while the cycle was in the middle here. We waited until it chose a direction. It chose up. And so we started going long. On this first one, we took 4 ticks profit. On the next one, I think we took 6 ticks profit. Right? That was 12 and 8. I don't know, something like that. No, because that would give us 20 ticks. On the next one, we must have just taken 4 ticks. All right, so we took 8 ticks on that one, 4 ticks on that one, and 4 ticks on that one. Is that right? No, actually 6 ticks and 4 ticks is 10 plus 8 is 18. Yeah, that's right. That's what we did. We had 6 ticks on this, 4 ticks on this, and we ended up getting a break even on this. Now, I have it written down in front of me. We took 8 ticks, and then we took 4 ticks, and then we took 6 more ticks. And then we got a break even on this trade. We moved our stop to break even on this one after it closed up above the MA1. This one, it moved down to hit my stop, but it didn't take me out there. Since then, not really a lot that you could do in here. Okay, the black step line crossed up on the down close of this bar. It put in a lower swing, but it's really messy. Okay. That was the soybeans. We ended plus 18 ticks on soybeans today. On the ES, we only pointed out a couple of spots here on the ES. Well, 3 it looks like. This long trade right in here that didn't go anywhere. A short trade right over here. Again, didn't go anywhere. Now, this one was a regular trade. This one was a momentum trade, and there was really no momentum. It wasn't even trending. I think I had said that when I said this would be a momentum trade on the ES, if there is such a thing. We had an up close over here above the trend line, and that moved up a little bit. And since then, there's just been this down close right here. Okay, at 12:06. That would have been the one right there. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Hey, people from the seminar. Speaking of the seminar, there's going to be one in Chicago, July 12th. July 12th, Chicago seminar. All right. Let's see, we got a down close here on the natural gas. This was the first trade that we wanted to take on the natural gas. Sadly, we did not fill. Then I took this one, and I lost. And I took this one, and it pulled back, stopped me out, and then went where I wanted to go. I missed this one. Took this one, pulled back, stopped me out, and went where I wanted it to go. I missed that one. Then finally at the end, I got a winning trade on the natural gas. I got 10 ticks profit on this one. So I was -8, -16, -24, then +14. I mean -14, sorry, this was +10. -14 total on the day. There was one more trade here at the end of the day. Would have been a break-even trade, maybe a couple ticks profit for me if I'd played it all the way out. It changed directions, and there would have been a long trade right in here for about 8 ticks profit, and that would have been it on the day for the natural gas. All right. So once again, we ended the day with a gross profit, and we hit our goal for the day early on. Okay. What Dwayne was talking about was, if you set a goal, especially on a Friday the 13th rollover day, if you set a goal and you hit it in the first 5 minutes, man, just shut that thing off and walk away. Those of you guys who are superstitious. And we did roll over. We rolled over the indexes today, okay, and we rolled over the euro today. Just so you know, when I say rollover, I mean we changed from the M to the MU contract.
Well, anybody that trades on Friday the 13th and rollover day combined is just plain crazy. So
that's what I'm thinking. If I didn't have to do it, I would be lying outside in the rain. Well, I don't have sun.
Just kidding, guys.
Yeah. All right. So that's it. That's all I got. We can head out to Vegas if you want to.